Are you pushing your owl in the stroller, baby? Bye-bye. Help? Do you need help? Are you sleepy? Mama help. Mama help. Here you go. There you go.
Yow.
That's right. There's Yow. Whoa. Boom. Whoa. Want help? It's okay, baby. Mama help. Okay. Mama help. How did you do that? Whoa. You fell down. Oh, sweetie, it's okay. It's okay. Night-night, baby. That's right, that's your owl. Where are you going to put your owl? It's okay. Good job. Did you put it in? What do you think, Yow? Bye-bye.
No.
Yes. Kaya, can you say, I love you, Dada? Put down. Kaya, say, I love you, Dada. Mwah.
Whoa.
Whoa. Kaya, can you say, mwah? For Dada? Can you say mwah for Dada? Huh? You go give him kisses? Say mwah.
Whoa.
Well, that's close enough for now. Say bye-bye. Kaya, say bye-bye. Mama, help. Oops, boom. Bye-bye. We're obsessed with our stroller. Kaya, say bye-bye.
No.
Okay. I love you. Dada.